Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you 3 classic Christmas ideas, decor ideas that are so easy you're going to want to try it. So I'm going to start off with this jar that I picked up from my discount store. So I'm going to get started. So I'm going to start off with this jar that I picked up from my discount store. I'm going to be using some water, my paintbrush. I'm going to be using that crystal clear glitter. I'm going to start off by placing my plate down. I'm going to be using some Aleene's clear gel tacky glue, and I'm going to apply this to the outside of the jar. I'm going to be using my paintbrush dampened with water, and I'm just going to spread that all over the So it's been about 30 minutes. I'm going to be using this gold pearl wrap that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using this around the top edge. So I'm going to flip over this wrap, guys, and as you can see, I see the black lines that's underneath it. So I'm going to use my silver marker, and I'm just going to color over that black line or the dark lines. That's going to help it to look nice and clean and neat. Next, I'm going to be assembling 3 pine branches on the front of the vase. I'm going to hot glue that to the gold part of the trim. And after that, I'll add some red berries. Alright guys, look how nice this came out. This is absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to be adding these fairy lights. But before I put them inside, I want to wrap them around my candle. By doing this, I'm going to get it into that perfect circular shape. So it's going to fit right down in the vase. So the wire is very easy to wrap around. And once I do that, I'm going to insert it inside. Look how beautiful this is. This came out absolutely gorgeous. I love the way this looks, and this was so easy to make. All right, so let me know what you think. Next, I'm going to start with a 7-inch cylinder vase from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by applying this mirrored trim to the top and the bottom edge of the vase. Next, I'll be using this plastic reindeer. This is from my discount store, and this is Christmas tree decoration. You get 2 for $1.49. So I'm going to be using one of the reindeer today, and I'm going to start by removing that little O-ring that's at the top of its antlers, and then I'm going to hot glue it inside the vase. So next, I'm going to be using this silver bottle brush tree. I got that from my discount store as well. It has glitter on it, silver glitter on it. And I'm going to hot glue this inside the vase behind our reindeer. I'll be using my tongs to place the Christmas tree inside because I can't get my hand in there with the reindeer inside. So I'll be using my tongs to help me get the tree inside. So now that the glue is set, I will be adding about a half a cup or less of some Epsom salt. That's going to give us the illusion of snow. Alright guys, so now that the Epsom salt is inside, it looks so nice so far. So now I'm going to be using some silver sticker stars. I'm just going to place those randomly outside the glass just to give it a little extra charm. So now guys, I want to add some lighting to this vase. So I'm going to start using the top that we didn't use, and I'm going to take that inside out and I'm going to trace it onto some silver glitter paper. I want to create lighting for the inside of the vase, and I need to create a top to do that. So I'm going to use this glittered paper and I'm going to cover both sides of that lid. Once that's done, I'm going to add a little bit of trim that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. It's diamond wrap, and I'll be applying the diamond wrap to the outer perimeter of the lid. So now that that's done, I'm going to be adding these tiny mirror squares that I got those from Amazon, and I'll be adding 4 of those to the top part of the lid. Next, I'm going to be taking this small tap light. This is a small tap light. I got that as a set of 6 from Amazon. And I'm going to be placing this on the inside of the top. And so I'm just going to hot glue that to the inside. And I'm going to let that set. And turn it on. And guys, look how nice that looks. That looks so nice. It looks beautiful with the light on and with the light off. Let me know what you think in the comment section, but I absolutely love the way this one turned out. Finally, for our third project, guys, I'm going to be using this pearl wrap that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and the cylinder vase as well came from the Dollar Tree. And I'm checking this cylinder vase because I was hoping I didn't crack it, because I did drop it. And so what I'm going to do, this part is so easy, guys. I'm going to create enough wrap to apply to the top and the bottom edge of the vase, and then I'll be applying a strip of that pearl wrap down the center. So now that that's in place, I'm going to be using this snowflake that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take it apart, guys, creating 3 sections. And what I'm going to do is remove all the glue and the stones that are originally on the project. I don't like those at all, so I will be using some pearl and rhinestone tiny little buttons. These are really not buttons. They're actually meant to be hot glue to clothing or either a project. So I'm using it for a project, and I'm going to hot glue those into place. And guys, look how beautiful these look. And I just wanted to show you, I did this off screen, but I did use my hairspray to seal on that glitter. So I'm only going to be using one of those today. So right now I'm just going to hot glue one of those right there in the center of the vase on top of the pearl wrap. I'm going to add some Epsom salt inside as a riser, and I'm going to put my candle inside, and that's going to be my decor for this project. And I love the simplicity of this one. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.